Role of youth for a positive Pakistan. The destiny of a nation is vested with the youngsters. These are the people, if guided correctly, they can modify the course of the world. They have the might of extensive thinking, head struggle, innovation and advancement. The youth are ready to adopt and adapt changes as they are young, they are in search of truth, they are open to different ideas contrary to old people. Allama Iqbal realized the strength of youth in these words. I have love for those youngsters who pull down the stars. Today Pakistan is facing many challenges from within and beyond: terrorism, assaults, attacks, pitiful law and order situation, sordid hygienic conditions, education dilemma, rife and rampant corruption, dilapidated roads, miserable economy, energy crisis and so many others. There are many factors behind these problems, but one of the most important and vital is the foreign influence that is weakening Pakistan. Pakistan is not completely independent yet. The policies, both political and economic, are framed partially or completely by the involvement of big players. Their involvement is not confined to that extent, but even more, they are spreading defeatist ideas using different tools. Youth are the actual target. They are made confused and thus they start imitating the society of foreign nations. Iqbal in his metaphoric tone exclaimed, "The falcon that imitates the ways of its prey becomes the prey of its own prey." The youth generally don't view them fit to combat with national problems. They have no intellect of state matters. They are used and manipulated by different groups. This is why, because for the youth it is portrayed that they should focus only on education and produce good results. The youth have shown commitment to this idea and they have delivered. But the fact is that their talent is not properly utilized and appreciated. This is the main reason foreign countries tap this resource, and in this way the talent is exploited abroad. There is no doubt that the youth is sincere and dedicated, but emotions are not enough. Their impulses need a positive direction to create a positive Pakistan. They can attain this direction through constant thinking, discussions, innovation and reasoning. For the real destiny of Pakistan and to bring positive approach, the youth must learn the neglected lessons of truth, justice, bravery and Islamic governance.